Lovely subject for today here, and it's Gapstow Bridge in Central Park, New York. Chosen a winter's day for it because I like the way the bare skeletal forms of the trees allow us to see the rectangular shapes of the buildings just through the gap there. And I like the way the bridge is defined with a little bit of snow sitting on top. Love the foreground as well, the way we can take this white on the rocks and give us a real contrast between that and the reflections in the water beyond it. Lots of lessons here. There's dry brushwork, there's lots of wet in wet, there's how much detail to put in and how much detail to leave out. And of course, there's probably one of the trickiest things of all, reflections in water. So lots to do, but I think you're going to find it a really enjoyable subject.